I went back to the university after this meet. So, tigas namin ginagawa itong mga coffee meetups na to eh. Then I went to the oratory, Adrian, no, to the chapel. And for the first time in many years, I talked to Mama Mary. I never expected that I will do that. No? So I went to the Stella Orientis Oratory in UANP. No?
Grabe.
I told her,
harapan na Redulto yan,
harap niya. Sabi ko, hindi ko alam ba't ako naririto.
Oo.
I don't know why I'm here. My pastor told me, you're dead, you can't hear me. My pastors, my evangelical friends tell me, it's idolatrous to talk to you. Heck, I'm even kneeling before you now. I don't understand why. Something else brought. Doon ako, sabi ko, hindi ko alam bakit nandito ako eh, pero I'm so tired. Alam mo yung feeling na drain ka na, utak mo, tuyong-tuyo na sa dami na pinag-aralan mo, your emotions are so dried already, I was just crying. Umiiyak ako, sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, ito na lang ang usapan natin. Kung totoo ka, Mama Mary, kung naririnig mo ako, why don't you give me peace?